मिस्टर विनोद, मेरी एक विनती है बड़े हृदय से, जो भी मेरे भाई those who have come from abroad, may we request all of them to feel convenient because we have little space and we would like to accommodate everybody. I shall be grateful if few of them, if they can shift to first floor where we feel there is enough space. We shall be feel highly obliged if you can kindly look into my request and then take your seat on the first floor. And this is just in front of Shrimatiji's chair. Thank you very much. Vinod.
गणपति देवा गणपति
जिसका नंबर DEP।
कभी सन के चले आना माता जी चले आना, कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना माता जी चले आना, कभी राम बन के कभी श्याम बन के चले आना माता जी चले आना, कभी गणेश रूप में आना, कभी गणेश रूप में आना, गौरी साथ लाना भोला बन दी
stood up because
ओ लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लालड़ियो लाल मेरी पत रखियो भला झूले लाल देखे हैं, तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं, तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं, तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं, ओ तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं, 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 तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं। माँ प्यारे हजारों से पाया, माँ प्यारे हजारों से पाया, तेरे प्यार सा कोई प्यार नहीं, तेरे प्यार सा कोई नहीं, तेरे प्यार सा कोई प्यार नहीं, तेरे प्यार सा कोई प्यार नहीं, ओ तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं, तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं। माँ हरे फूल में तूने रंग भरा, माँ हरे फूल में तूने रंग भरा, हरे गुल में है तेरी खुशबू, हरे गुल में है तेरी खुशबू, जिस गुल में तेरी खुशबू ही ना हो, जिस गुल में तेरी खुशबू ही ना हो, जिस गुल में तेरी खुशबू ही ना हो, ऐसा तो कोई गुलजार नहीं, गुलजार नहीं, ओ ऐसा तो कोई गुलजार नहीं, ऐसा तो कोई गुलजार नहीं, तेरे तो कोई गुलजार नहीं, तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं। माँ दरबार हजारों देखे हैं, माँ पसारा है, तेरे आगे हाथ पसारा है। तू करती कभी निखार नहीं हो, तू करती कभी नहीं हो, तू करती कभी निखार 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 नहीं हो, तू करे सको नहीं हो, तेरे दरे सा कोई दरबार नहीं हो, तेरे दरे सा कोई दरबार नहीं। माँ दरबार हजारों देखे हैं, माँ दरबार हजारों देखे हैं, तेरे दरे सा कोई दरबार नहीं हो, तेरे दरे सा कोई नहीं हो, तेरे दरे सा कोई दरबार 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 नहीं। माँ प्यारे हजारों से पाया, माँ प्यारे हजारों से पाया, तेरे प्यार सा कोई प्यार नहीं हो, 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 तेरे दर सा कोई प्यार नहीं हो, तेरे प्यार सा कोई प्यार नहीं हो, तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार नहीं हो, तेरे दर सा कोई दरबार
माँ हम पे कृपा करना, माँ हम पे दया करना। वैकुंठ तो यही है, वैकुंठ तो यही है, हृदय मेरा करना। माँ हम पे कृपा करना, माँ हम पे दया करना। ढूंढेंगे राग बनकर, वीणा के तार बनकर, ढूंढेंगे राग बनकर, वीणा निर्मल हृदय में प्यार बनकर, हृदय में प्यार बनकर। हर रागिनी की धुन, हर रागिनी की धुन पर स्वर बन के उठा करना। वैकुंठ तो यही है, वैकुंठ तो यही है, हृदय मेरा करना। माँ हम पे कृपा करना, माँ हम पे दया करना, माँ हम पे कृपा करना, माँ हम पे दया करना। अपनी शरण में रखना मां निर्मल आदिशक्ति, अपनी शरण में रखना मां निर्मल आदिशक्ति, मां निर्मल आदिशक्ति। बन सहस्त्रार, बन सहस्त्रार प्राणों में बहा करना। वैकुंठ तो यही है, वैकुंठ तो यही है, हृदय में रहा करना। मां हम पे कृपा करना, मां हम पे दया करना, मां हम पे कृपा करना, मां हम पे दया करना। नाचेंगे मोर बनकर मां निर्मल तेरे द्वारे, नाचेंगे मोर बनकर मां निर्मल तेरे द्वारे। मां निर्मल छाई रहना बन करके मेघ काले, मां निर्मल छाई रहना बन करके मेघ काले, बन करके मेघ काले। अमृत की धार बनकर, अमृत की धार बनकर प्यासों पे दया करना। वैकुंठ तो यही है, वैकुंठ तो यही है, हृदय में रहा करना। मां हम पे दया करना, मां हम पे कृपा करना, मां हम पे दया करना, मां हम पे कृपा करना, मां हम पे दया करना। वैकुंठ तो यही है, वैकुंठ हृदय में रहा करना। मां हम पे कृपा करना, मां हम पे दया करना, मां हम पे कृपा करना, मां हम पे दया करना, मां हम पे दया करना, मां हम पे दया करना। बेकार हम कहे, बेकार हम कहे, जो रहे गलत बातों में। बेकार हम कहे, बेकार हम कहे, जो रहे गलत बातों में। मुख होए जो हरि नाम का सिमरन किया करे। हीरे मोती हीरे मोती से नहीं शोभा है हाथ की। हे हाथ जो भगवान का पूजा जीवन क्या करे। ऐसी लगी लगन, ऐसी लगी लगन, ऐसी लगी लगन, लागी 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 लगन। मेरा हो गए मगन, वो तो गली गली हरी धुन गाने लगी। महलों में परी बन के जोगन चली, फिर रानी दीवानी गाने लगी। ऐसी लगी लगन, कोई रोके नहीं, कोई टोके नहीं, कोई रोके नहीं, कोई टोके नहीं, कोई रोके नहीं, कोई टोके नहीं। मेरा गोविंद गोपाल गाने लगी, बेटी संतों के संग रंग मोहन के रंगे। मेरा प्रेमी प्रीतम को कमाने लगी, हो तो गली 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 गाने लगी। ऐसी लगी लगन, मेरा हो गए मगन, हो तो गली 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 गुन गाने लगी। महलों में पली बन के जोगन चली, 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 बन के जोगन चली। बन के जोगन चली, बन के जोगन चली, बन के जोगन चली, बन के जोगन चली। बन के जोगन चली, बन के जोगन चली, लहरों में पली चली। मेरा रानी दीवानी आने लगी, ऐसी रानी लगन। राने विष दिया मनो अमृत प्यार, राने विष दिया मनो अमृत प्यार। मेरा सागर में सरिता जोड़न चली मेरा रानी दीवानी खाने okay again मेरा होगे मगन कैसी बनी लगन मेरा होगे
It's a very good beginning, and I'm sure people in every country will try to achieve this kind of donations, so it's easier for us to spread Sahaja Yoga. This is a very nice locality. Already you know that we are also building a house here in Noida. And you are now in Uttar Pradesh. It is not Delhi anymore, which is the place where is my, I should say, father-in-law's place, as they call Sasural. The people here are extremely generous and very helpful. Only we Sahaja Yogis have to learn from them that how they are participating in Sahaja Yoga, also financially. Of course, we don't need any money for Sahaja Yoga, for awakening the Kundalini. I don't need your money at all, nothing of the kind. But if you have to build the ashrams, if you have to build buildings, it requires money. And if you desire, it will work out. One has to just desire and it works out. In the principle of Lakshmi, as you know, she has 4 hands, out of which one hand is like this. Means she is giving. If you do not give for such an important work, then you are missing the point. This is a very good chance that we can express ourselves, our dedication to Sahaja Yoga. Is a very great and important part of Lakshmi Tattva. For example, if you do not open the second door, only open the one door through which you want the air to come in, it won't. You have to open 2 doors. One by which it flows and another one by which you receive. Sahaja Yoga is absolutely above board, and nobody is to be lynched, nobody is to be forced to do anything. It's also spontaneous, and whatever you feel spontaneously is done. I think this is the first time I'm talking about money to you, because I've never had problems. Somehow money came, somehow everything worked out. I'm sure we'll never have problems either. We never take money from outsiders. It's through Sahaja Yoga only we have worked it out, everything so well. So, the way you are giving me presents is also a bit too much. I've been requesting you not to give me present. Now we have a 3rd house here, because whichever houses I built, I was filled with things. So I have to go on building new houses. So best thing is not to give me any presents, but you make ashrams, you make meditation centers. It's much better. Actually, I've been telling this for so many years now, but somehow nobody listens. And this time they promised that they'll not give me any individual present, but 2 tables were filled. I don't know where to keep them. So this ashram also may be filled with that. Then where will you sit? It's a very, very good step that Mr. Gupta has taken, really. I'm so enamored by that. I wish you also think about it. When you think of collective, then it comes to your mind that Sahaja Yoga has done so much for me. It has solved so many of my problems. It has blessed me. It has given me knowledge, which is so difficult. Otherwise, you have to go to Himalaya, stand on your heads, give up your wife, family, money, everything. Here, doing nothing, we have got everything. So now, we have to also think, what have we done for such? Yes, sometimes people think they are postering. All right, it's very great work also. Postering is a very big work, no doubt. And such things people are doing, that kind of physical work. But also, financially we have to be little generous, I think, so that we can build ashrams. Only for your convenience, for your meditation, for your collectivity. As you know, in Sahaja Yoga, there is no corruption of money at all, and people are extremely honest, meticulous. Everything works out so well. Everything is accounted for. And we trust. Of course, maybe sometimes we fail. We trust, we give money to people who might try to sort of trouble us and take away some money, may pinch some money also possibly, doesn't matter. But the trust is important in Sahaja. And by trusting only we have built up. Even in India I have seen people do not take any money in a underhand way in Sahaja Yoga. It's very systematic and everything is very fine. Now many people believe in India that if you part with some money for God's sake, God gives you mountains of it. Maybe it is true. Maybe it is true. But don't do it from that angle. Just, it would be, otherwise it will be a business with God. But you have to do it spontaneously, feeling the joy, being not conscious about it, just the joy. And it would be very enjoyable for you and for everybody else. I'm told so many are going away today back and tomorrow. So I must thank you all for coming here on my 70th birthday. I never expected, never, that you all would come to celebrate this birthday, which expresses your love. And it's impossible to express thanks about it. Delhi people insisted that this time your birthday should be in Delhi. I said, all right. And when I heard all of you coming, I said, now have the headache also. But they were so happy, I'm amazed at it. They were boasting of it. These people are coming, mother, these people are coming, without feeling in the least how they will organize, how they will manage. So, to the organizers of this also you must give a hand. Also, it was a very unique experience with the musicians, and the musicians told me that they were never felt like this, as if whatever they were singing was absolutely in complete rapport with the Sahajogis who were so many in number, and how they listened to us and understood us. We can never think of such an audience, and they have asked me to thank you again and again for that. It is really such a wonderful thing that has happened. The 70th birthday. There are so many things which are to be noted as something suggestive of this new age of truth. There are more things awaiting for us in this new age. We'll have lots of miracles, lots of blessings, complete understanding, and complete maturity in Sahaja. The new atmosphere will change so many things. Even the people who are opposing us for no fault of ours will also subside and things will start working out. All the problems of the world will have a solution of a very miraculous type, and you'll be amazed how things have been corrected in every country. In the beginning, maybe you might feel a turmoil and unsteadiness, and you might also feel that there is no hope. But after the turmoil is over, you will see the peace that is manifested through your vibrations, which will be effective, which will be acting. And you realize that. So many nice things to look forward. And that's maybe the reason you might have intuitively felt that 70th birthday is important. I never said that after my 70th birthday, this Satyuga will start. But somehow I think you people did have an intuition. That's the reason you came here to celebrate the beginning of it. So, for the time being, I say goodbye to you, and all the Sahajogis would like to say goodbye to you. From all over India, so many Sahajogis came, and it's an all-India effort that has worked out the whole thing so well, so harmoniously. I hope to see you again in Rome for Easter Puja. But this time, don't bring any presents. Your own resurrection is my present. Really, I tell you, please, it will give me great pleasure. Please don't bring any present for me. Just you come along and I want to meet you. It's a day of resurrection and we should celebrate it because you all are resurrected also. And a great day which is promised long time back. So may God bless you. पानी नहीं
May I request Mr. Surendra Gupta to garland Shri Mataji on behalf of Noida, UP and entire India. We had two centers here where this Sahaja Yoga started flourishing. Mr. Sobri and Mr. Ambawat are the pillars of Sahaja Yoga, and I may request Mr. Sobri and Mr. Ambawat to present bouquet to Shri Mataji on behalf of all Noida centers. जानता हूँ इस मंदिर बनाने में, ये मंदिर बनाने में कुछ लोगों ने मेहनत बहुत करी है। सर गुप्ता जी लगाया, लेकिन तन पर मन था उन लोगों का। अगर आप चाहिए हो तो now we have
and immediately we stood before the photograph of Sri Mataji and rain stopped. This is various types of this sort of events happened, and we were just amazed that how this, if we work for Sri Mataji, we are not working, we are working for ourselves, for our ascent. So we are grateful and thankful Sri Mataji. Thank you very much.
Mr. Surendra Gupta, please.
who has given not only the courage and power to be honest and frank. I'm working in a government organization on a middle management position where I'm the head of the personal policies. And you will be surprised, for last 4 years, none of my boss or my super boss has questioned me. Rather, they are encouraging me that through you we are getting grace of Her Holiness Shri Mataji. The time has come. The time has come when we all Sahajogis to decide whether to work for our ascent or to do other things. I can assure you, if we work for our ascent, nothing is there. Our children, our material work, our job. To be honest and frank, it is not only secured, it is secured to that extent we cannot think of. Again, I will be sharing with you, if Shri Mataji permit me, and if I may be allowed to write a book on this house. I do not know myself as to how I shall express my own self. How amazing things have happened, and within the course of construction, most of those who are working for Shri Mataji have become Sahajogis, and few of them, the contractors, are sitting before us. Shri Mataji, we assure you, whatever you said last time in Noida, we will prove to be that, and on behalf of my all brothers, we will not leave anything except Sahajoga. And except Sahajoga, we will not do anything, Shri Mataji. This is our gentleman promise before you for the whole life.
Music, please. Divine Mother is always giving gifts and gifts to children. Then Shri Mataji says, "Mere ko gift mat dijiye." How is it possible? Again, Mother has brought gifts for the girls of Noida and the girls who are around, and also Delhi. And ladies also, they can collect later on from Mr. Ambavat. some beautiful tablecloths for ladies of not only Noida, Ghaziabad, as well as Faridabad also. And let us see the mother's blessing and love for us. Mr. Gupta manufactures this basic item. He is manufacturer of this thing. नीचे शिमाती कह रही हैं बड़ा रंगीन टेबल क्लॉथ बिछा के उसके ऊपर आप लोग ये बिछाएंगे. Mr. Gupta is manufacturing this thing, Shimata ji. Basic things. Instantly happened to come to inspect his unit here. So there we became friends, and later on, because Sahaj Yogi can only talk about Sahaj Yoga. So when I talked to Mr. Gupta, he became a Sahaj Yogi, but he talked to me after 2 months. He said, "There's a problem, Mr. Datta. I have a guru, and in Sahaj Yoga, you say that you have to leave your guru." I said, "Yes, that is an important thing, but don't worry, your guru will leave you. You need not worry about him. You have come into Sahaj Yoga." Then he one day told me, "I've got a plot here, which I have kept for my guru to build a temple here, Lord Krishna or some other ordinary temple." But he says, "My guru stays in my factory. I have got a temple there also." And lo, it happened. He gave me a ring after a month and told me, "My guru has run away." Then he said, "Okay, I'll give this plot to Sahaj Yoga and ₹1,00,000 to construct it. But we had some technical problems because this plot could not be transferred to our trust." Then ultimately he said, "How much is the budget?" We said, "About 4 lakhs. He said, "Okay, I'll give the entire 4 lakhs. But now a stage has come when the total budget, we should not talk money before Shimata ji, because Shimata ji herself is Mahalakshmi. This entire lot has cost about 1.5 millions, and entire money has come from him. And maybe next time when Shimata ji come and you all come, there may be second floor." May I request Brother Romel Verma, please? Please, this side, may I bother you? And Sadhana Didi, both are now Sahaj Yogis. They are, but they are now Noida Nivasis. They live in Noida.
Shimata ji, if you permit, Romal ji has accepted that he will become our leader and we will all work for Sahaj Yoga only. Shimata ji, we need Romal ji.
Mother, brothers and sisters of Sahaj Yoga, what a moving experience today. What a moving experience. I cannot recall in my life anything so moving. And so many foreigners are sitting here. I thought I'll just relate one small thing to you. This country tries to look for an ideology, a way to worship. And in most households here, you'll find a small Bhagavad Gita kept under the pillow or inside the house. In the Bhagavad Gita, there are 3 yogas mentioned. I think most of you will know one is Karma Yoga, the other is Bhakti Yoga, and the third, what's the third? Gyan Yoga. Now, most people don't know which yoga to follow. In fact, Arjuna, to whom these yogas were related, was somehow told that follow Karma Yoga. Then in the next para, Krishna says, no, follow Bhakti Yoga. And sometimes he says, no, follow Gyan Yoga. So Arjuna is at a loss. He says, what do I do? And Arjuna later on is told very specifically that whatever you do, don't expect any results, don't expect any fruit thereof. What we call phala trishna tyag. Don't expect any fruit from your yoga. And ultimately God says, now look, Arjuna asks him, now what do I do? And God tells him there's only one yoga that all mankind must know. And that is the yoga of God, Ishwar Yoga, and the karma of God, which is Ishwar Karma. And there can be no more beautiful example of Ishwar Yoga and Ishwar Karma than what Mr. Gupta and his family and all the Sahajogis who have stood here, the architect, the people who brought the material, this whole heart of Sahaja Yoga